Hi, my name is Eric from Maltego. Welcome to a quick demo about Maltego Evidence. In order to give you an overview of Maltego Evidence, I need to first give you an overview of the Maltego platform. The Maltego platform is an all-in-one investigation platform, and Maltego Evidence, formerly Social Network Harvester, is our solution for court-ready evidence collection during social media investigations. Now, what challenges do you usually face during social media investigations? First, data is dispersed and massive, especially in the social media realm. There's Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, X, Snapchat, and there's always more. It is time-consuming to scrutinize and catalog every single social media activity across multiple platforms. Needless to say, some groups require exclusive access that is hard to obtain undercover. Second, every social media platform has a different format. Not only that every analyst on your team collects and documents information differently. This is exactly where Maltego Evidence comes in. Maltego Evidence helps you automatically collect and store social media evidence from your target profiles in one standardized way, since the tool is built and designed by experienced German law enforcement officers. The way Maltego Evidence handles social media evidence is ready to use in court. Not only that, it collects the social media evidence using built-in sock puppets to ensure access to close groups and protect your team's identities. In short, Maltego Evidence automates social media evidence collection in a court-ready format, in one simple user interface, and with built-in measures for operational security. It also enables various analysis capabilities to identify and visualize connections between target profiles and within target networks. Let me show you how this works. To start collecting or building a project, you first need to insert all your own crawling profiles or sock puppet accounts, however you would like to call it. So here you see a bunch of sock puppet accounts for the different networks. Next, you can build a new project. I open my existing project. Here you see the project dashboard with all the collected profiles, all the collected postings, and so on and so on. You see my target profiles for this project, and you see the latest postings, if there are some collected, for the different target profiles. But how to get this data? First, you have to collect the data. So by entering the URL in this field, you see after inserting facebook.com and then slash and your target profile name or the ID, your selected crawling profiles will be filtered by the depending network. So next you can choose which data should be saved. So you see the profile information like a full page screenshot. This is also good if you have this at court. Some profile details, locations. Then you can save all the timeline data with integrated locations, or if you only need data ranges, you can save comments, the reactions, and so on. Then you can save the friends, some profile details from the saved friends. You also can save followers and download all the existing images. Last, you can save the media items with locations, with comments, and the reactions. And if you like, you can also download the video data. If only a single posting is needed, so you also can select by entering the single posting URL a single posting saving. If you would like to do some kind of social network analysis, you can select Save Friend of Friends, and then you can start by saving Friends of Friends, because this is needed if you would like to do some social network analysis. After selecting all this, send this to the runners or send and generate a scheduled task for this. After collecting the data, you will find the data in the different explorers. All the profiles which are saved, you will find in the Profile Explorer. Here you see some account linkings, so these are accounts from different networks with maybe the same name, with the same picture. This here generated automatically. These are generated manually, so by the user. So maybe if you know a target profile, you can do the linking by yourself. By clicking of one of these, you will get on the right side some detailed information for this profile, like the vanity name, some metadata, when it was saved, the URL, and so on and so on. You can set tags and notes maybe for this. And all this information is now stored to this profile. We also have a posting explorer, so here you find all the saved postings. And here you see also integrated the media. So we click on it on the right side, we see a detailed view of it. We see we have reactions also in this and no comments, but we have a screenshot. We can open it and see how it looks at the network. And we also get some detailed information for this posting. We have this also only for the collected media items, and so we can click on this and we see the picture. We can open it in a single, and also a lot of media items which maybe are needed. We can also tag this or add some notes to this, and we see the deriving posting of this picture. We also have some chat messages like in Twitter or now X, and also for Telegram. Here you see some communication going between different accounts. We have a separated comment explorer. Here you see all the comments from the whole project. By clicking on this, you see here is the comment set. You see the author, some comment data, and you see the posting where the comment is set to. If there are some locations available in the postings or in the media items, we visualize this in a map view, and here you can also go by timeline and select only at a special time range the different geo locations. Last on this side, we have the target profile dashboards. So you click on this target profile and you get the information, how many postings were saved, how many comments were given, and so on and so on. If there is a full page capture stored, you can see this here, and you get some metrics. Maybe this is important for you if you plan some operational things, and it's good to know when your target profile is online, on what day and what time. You also see the top connected users, so these users are the most interacting users to this target profile, and you see the top posts of this target profile, and maybe this helps you to start with the first 10 top connected users and the top postings of this target profile. We also have an integrated analytics for this, so here you can start with a posting and maybe can open all reactions or all comments to this posting. So here you see that this target set a comment to this posting, and this target set 2 comments to this posting, and they all interact to each other. You also can generate a whole network, so you can load all profiles to do maybe a social network analysis. This will take some time, then you have to maybe do deep dive in it, and here you see some mutual friends, you see the different target profiles, and with the colors you see some different communities which are detected from our algorithms. We also have a reporting insight, so here you can select profiles, posting, media items, all the stored and collected data, and so you can build your own report with your individual needs. So here I have an overview with all the target profiles inserted. Then I have the targets, target 1 It's also on Facebook, and we also collected the Instagram profile from this target. Target 2 is only one, and then I call it here like main evidence. You can name it for your needs. You can add sections if you need more sections by clicking on it, and then you select the new section name, and can after that save the report and generate a PDF, and then you have a PDF sheet of all this information which you can drag and drop into your report at the section or the position you would like to insert this information. Within the explorers I showed you before, there are a lot of export possibilities and report possibilities inserted for quick reporting, but we also have some project data exports, so we can select the output format as a GraphML, as a portable case. So this is a browser-based portable case, only the media items, our SNH2 exchange format to hand over your projects, and we have a special target export, so all your target profiles will be exported. I hope this short overview has made you curious. Thanks for looking.